Kitty, you are scared? Kitty? Max? What's up, my beautiful people? I hope you're fine from wherever you are watching from. If you're tuning here for the first time, I'm Damaris, a Kenyan retired mom, and I reside in Kenyan village. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, liking and leaving sweet comments. I don't take it for granted. It's very green here, and where I live is a hot, dry area. But because of the lanes, the place looks very beautiful. It's green everywhere. The flowers, most of the flowers like bougainvillea, they are blooming. Yeah. I've not been able for the last 1 week to leave home because the roads here are very bad. They are not tarmacked. And from my home to the shopping center is a distance of 3 kilometers. It's not easy to drive now. The roads are totally bad. Even this path from my home also is not good at the moment. It needs some more repair before I start driving to anywhere. I'll show you somewhere here where it's very bad. The stones are put, how I'd repaired, putting some stones, they are all carried by the water. So let me show you how the place looks like. So after this lane, this is how it looks now. It's not easy to drive here, as you can see. And it's not only there, this place also, that place is totally bad. I've never experienced this kind of lane before. It has been raining while I'm living here, even last season, and the road never got damaged the way it is now. These are bougainvillea flowers.
Two thousand years later.